Georgia here live from Allendale's trading floor. It is April 14th, 2010. Quite a wild day today in the grain markets. We had a rumor come out at one point today that China was going to buy some corn, some U.S. corn, out of shipping out of Chicago. We only know that as a rumor. I haven't seen any confirmation of that, but it got the markets a little bit excited today. Corn ended up finishing 5.5 higher. Beans up a penny. The wheat market down a penny and a quarter. Corn was up more than 10 cents at one point today. We had some support in the grains, also led by the energy markets. Crude oil right now up about $1.90, putting crude back near $86 a barrel. We went down, hit a trend line yesterday in the crude, hit some good support, and now we've rallied off of that. Question is, are we going to continue higher? With people estimating, looking for targets near $90 to $95 in crude, we may end up seeing us strengthen up. So watch that. That may end up keeping the grain markets firm as well. But also helping things out, the dollar was down today. Dollar's down 35 cents, putting that near 80.25. You've got some decent support in the dollar right near that 79.90. So you've got a moving average sitting right there. That may be a pretty pivotal point. We've got a trend line coming right in there as well, just below that 80 target. We are approaching that pretty quickly. Look for a breakthrough down below that for more liquidation or more of a pullback here yet in that dollar, which in turn could support commodities in general. Metals found some strength today with the dollar being down. Gold up $6, silver up 20 cents. So finding some strength today after being down yesterday. We are still looking for, there is a potential head and shoulders bottom there in that gold market. Take a look at that chart. We may have broke out here to the upside. Guys are turning a little bit friendly in gold, but the charts are looking a little bit friendly with the price action we've seen over the last few weeks. So we feel this metals market may continue to go up as well. So give us a call with questions about that. Softs. Sugar today posting its fourth gain in a row. We've talked about sugar quite a bit in the past, looking pretty strong. It was up 55 points today. Like I mentioned, it is the fourth day in a row, but it is approaching some significant resistance. 80.15 here in the July contract. If we see a push above that, your next target's going to be closer to 20 cents. So keep an eye out for that. We may end up seeing some profit taken by the end of the week, so that resistance point is going to be pretty pivotal. So watch that 80.15 point in July. Cotton broke 53 today, 53 points, mostly due to talks of Brazil looking at cotton being at the highest prices they have seen in a long time, since 2004. So trade has expected to see the Brazil crop here increase, are looking to see acreage increase down there, which in turn put a little bit of pressure on the markets today. But something to keep in mind, Brazil doesn't start planting until November. So that is still quite a ways away. News was very light, and it seemed like traders needed something to sit on, and that was mostly the talk today in the cotton. Livestock, you had fat cattle down 53. You have feeders down $1.40. A lot of guys talking today concerned with if the grains are going to rally, are we going to end up seeing pressure in the feeder market specifically? Is corn going to go up? Feeders break? That was the relationship that we have seen in the past. We may go back to that as well. Today, corn rallied rather nice, and feeders had broke quite a bit. But, I certainly don't think funds are exiting the feeder market yet, so be careful of that. I think they still may be looking at dips as buying opportunities yet. The trend is still up, so be careful with that. Hog market up 62 today, so continuing to find strength throughout this week. We had a strong day yesterday. Once again, yet a good finish here today as well. Guys, we got a lot of information here out on our research product. You can see that. You can take a look at that with a free trial right on our website. If you don't know how to get that free trial, call anybody over here, 800-262-7538. And once again, our web address, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care.